Have you ever dreamed of making over $1,500 daily without lifting a finger? Well, guess what? It's not just a dream anymore. Today, I'm going to show you how a lazy AI side hustle could change your life and your bank account forever. Stick around because you don't want to miss the details of this revolutionary money-making strategy that's blowing up right now. Welcome back to the channel. Before we dive into this exciting AI-powered hustle, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on game-changing opportunities like this. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you're ready to start earning passively. Let's jump in. Alright, so what exactly is this lazy AI side hustle? It's all about leveraging the power of artificial intelligence tools to generate consistent income with minimal effort. And when I say minimal, I mean almost zero day-to-day involvement once you set it up. Imagine a system that works for you while you sleep, travel, or binge-watch your favorite shows. Let's break it down step by step so you can get started today. First things first, what makes this hustle so special? AI tools can automate repetitive tasks like content creation, data analysis, and even customer service. By pairing these tools with profitable online business models, you unlock a system that practically runs itself. For example, AI-powered platforms like ChatGPT or Jasper can create high-quality blog posts, social media content, or even marketing copy for businesses. Meanwhile, AI tools like Canva or Midjourney can design graphics or visuals without any artistic skill needed. This means you're not trading time for money, the AI is doing the work for you. But here's where the real magic happens. You're not just creating content, you're selling services or products that businesses already need. The demand is huge, and you don't have to be an expert to get started. Step 1. Pick your niche. Are you passionate about writing, design, or video editing? Or maybe you want to explore e-commerce or affiliate marketing? The key is to start with something you find interesting or see high demand for in the market. Step 2. Choose your AI tools. Depending on your niche, you'll want to pick tools that can automate the bulk of the work. For instance, if you're focusing on social media management, tools like Hootsuite paired with AI-powered design platforms can make your job incredibly easy. Step 3. Find your clients or set up your passive income stream. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even Etsy are great places to offer your AI-assisted services. Alternatively, you can create digital products like ebooks, online courses, or printables and sell them on platforms like Gumroad or Amazon. And remember, the goal is to let AI handle 90% of the work. Once you've set everything up, you'll only need to spend a few minutes a day managing the system. That's it, minimal effort, maximum return. Need proof this works? Let me share some real-life success stories. Take Sarah, a stay-at-home mom who used AI to create digital planners. She now earns over $1,500 daily by selling them on Etsy. Or Alex, a college student who offers AI-powered content writing services and makes enough to pay his tuition and then some. These people started with no special skills, just the willingness to learn and take action. If they can do it, so can you. Ready to get started? Check out the links in the description for my recommended AI tools and resources. And don't forget to download my free guide, which will walk you through setting up your first AI-powered side hustle step by step. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments which AI tool you're most excited to try. And remember, the sooner you start, the sooner you can unlock the life you've always dreamed of. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.